Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is June 9th, 2024. We have a lot of exciting updates from the world of Apple technology. Links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, Apple is rumored to unveil a major overhaul for Siri at WWDC. This update aims to make Siri more reliable and capable of integrating inside apps to take actions on behalf of users. The underlying technology is expected to improve with large language models, similar to advancements seen in Amazon's Alexa and Google's Assistant. Apple's researchers have also developed a system called Ferret UI, which uses AI to understand on-screen images, potentially enhancing Siri's capabilities further. Despite past disappointments, there's hope that Apple may finally deliver the Siri experience that was promised years ago. In related news, Apple is also rumored to introduce a significant AI push called Apple Intelligence at WWDC, likely to be showcased with the iPhone 16. This initiative will deeply integrate AI into Apple's main apps and OS features, while prioritizing user privacy and security. The AI enhancements will be available on platforms like iOS, iPadOS, and macOS, focusing on features with broad appeal. Users can expect benefits like improved summarization in Safari, AI-powered features in Siri, Photos app enhancements, and tools for developers to automate coding. This AI push is expected to be a significant part of Apple's keynote presentation. Continuing with the AI theme, Apple is gearing up for its WWDC keynote, where it plans to introduce major AI features to its operating systems under the name Apple Intelligence. The focus will be on incorporating AI into apps to simplify daily tasks. Some expected features include improved photo editing, greater Siri control over apps, AI-generated custom emojis, quick recaps of notes and messages, automatic email responses, and more. These features will be compatible with the latest Apple devices and will emphasize security measures for AI tasks. Switching gears, Apple has acknowledged a bug in its parental controls that allows children to bypass restrictions and access adult content online by entering a specific phrase in Safari's address bar. This bug was reported to Apple in 2021, but remained unfixed until a recent report brought attention to it. Apple has now committed to addressing this loophole in the next iOS update. Critics have pointed out that Apple's lack of attention to parental controls reflects a broader issue with the company's approach to user safety. Apple has stated that they are continuously working to improve screen time and will make updates in future software releases. At the upcoming WWDC, Apple is expected to unveil its own password manager called Passwords, which will compete with popular apps like 1Password and LastPass. This new app will offer features beyond Apple's existing iCloud or Mac keychain tools, allowing users to save Wi-Fi passwords, store passkeys, and categorize login credentials. Additionally, Passwords is said to be compatible with Windows machines, but its availability for Android users remains uncertain. In other news, an executive at the Epoch Times newspaper, Weidong Bill Guan, has been charged by US prosecutors for allegedly participating in a money-laundering scheme involving approximately $67 million. The scheme reportedly involved using cryptocurrency to purchase prepaid debit cards loaded with illegally obtained funds, which were then transferred to bank accounts associated with the Epoch Times and its employees. Former Google CEO Eric Schmidt is reportedly working on a secretive military drone company called White Stork, conducting tests in California and Ukraine. The company's technology and ambitions have not been extensively disclosed, but Schmidt has hired experts from Google, SpaceX, and Apple for the project. Lastly, Russian cybercriminals are suspected of being behind a ransomware attack on Synnovis, an organization managing medical services in London. The attack caused disruptions in hospitals and healthcare facilities, leading to the cancellation of surgeries involving blood transfusions and other critical procedures. Introducing Leica LUX, a professional camera app for iPhone that brings Leica's iconic image look to mobile photography. It allows users to capture moments with clarity and authenticity, offering manual controls and various photography genres like travel, street, and portrait. Leica LUX provides digital replicas of classic Leica lenses in aperture mode, allowing users to experience the unique aesthetic and beautiful bokeh of Leica lenses. The app also offers Leica's color grading and film presets, enhancing images with depth and character. Leica LUX aims to empower both seasoned professionals and beginners to craft stunning images with complete freedom. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. Thank you for tuning in. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates on everything Apple. Have a great day.